Alright, here's the front room in our 1867-year-old home, which is 150 years old. It's January 2019, and you can see the ceiling is peeling all over. I guess these older homes, they put like a type of wallpaper on top of the lath or plaster or whatever. And you can see the papers just coming off up there all over the place. Really nice ornament there. But yeah, then the upstairs bathroom had a leak going to the shower because it was all plastic PVC, and I guess it froze over and it cracked and it was leaking through here when we turned on the water, so I shut it off and then I had to cut out. I guess it had leaked before because they had put sheetrock in that one section where normally it was lath and plaster. So that's got to be repaired. I'm repairing the upstairs bathroom too, but in the meantime I thought I'll put some cardboard down to kind of protect the hardwood floor because this is original hardwood floors, and then I'll start peeling off this paper stuff up here. I already started doing it in some sections. I went to Home Depot and I bought one of those platforms. It's 6 foot up, so I can stand, because this is 11 feet high, I believe. So yeah, I'm going to clean it up in here and get to work on that. Start peeling off that paper and see if I can save that that wall, that plastered wall. I really don't want to have to gut it and put sheetrock because of all this nice trim. So I'll see what I can do. I got a drywall taping knife, and this thing seems to work really good scraping it off. Comes off in big chunks. The little one works okay too, the joint knife. And for any glue stuck on the ceiling, you can see that it's glue when it's dark spots adhesive. I went to Harbor Freight and got this scraping tool, which works really good. It's pretty much a razor blade, a really wide one. I think it was like $5, and that gets the adhesive off really good. And that was just called a floor scraper for removing wallpaper, adhesive, labels, gum, etc. And it has three blades. If you take this handle off at the end, black handle, you'll see 3 blades inside for replacements, which is cool. But the best tool so far is the taping knife. Still got lots to do, but you can see there's a lot of cracks in there, so I'm going to make some videos on how I'm going to fix those cracks. I don't think the cracks, I think it's just from the house settling. I don't think it's like the actual lath coming off, but I'm going to make sure if I push on it that it's not loose. If it is loose, I'll have to drill holes in it and then add some kind of glue in there to hold it to the lath. And yeah, but hopefully it's just cracked and it's just from the foundation settling. And if it is, all I have to do is put some, some fiber tape there and then just some mud over that. 8-inch taping knife for joint compound. Yeah. Okay, so that works really good, the 8-inch taping knife for drywall. Same thing with the joint knife, that works good too, it's just a little smaller. Okay. And then this scraper tool, which is pretty much a big razor blade. For stubborn spots, I like to use this one. See that? But you got to be careful with this one. This one likes to dig in on the edges. Good tool too. I like to use this mostly for the adhesive that I missed. Alright, so I'm almost halfway done, almost halfway. And the reason why it's been taking me a few hours, but it's taking me a little longer because I've noticed all this stuff is all paint peeling off, even some spots right here. And I had to go and scrape a lot of that, and still needs a lot more scraping. Same here. It sucks because it's really nice looking, but yeah. And there's so much curves in there that it's really hard to get all that paint that's peeling off. Yeah, and you can see I got cracks in the wall that need to be repaired on this side as well. And over there it's really peeling, so we'll get to that next. But without the scaffold, I can't imagine doing this without it. Alright, I just finished scraping all of the wallpaper off of the ceiling. It's like 2 or 3 in the morning. Quite a bit of cracks to fill. Or you could always just rip out the whole ceiling and put in sheetrock, but you see I got this little thing here that I don't want to have to glue on again, so that's why I don't really want to do that. So yeah, it makes a mess just taking this wallpaper off, but hopefully it comes out good.